Hi there, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up automated free shipping on your website. Now, basically what this means is, you know how sometimes you go to some websites and as you're shopping, you see a pop-up that says, oh, spend 50,000 naira more to qualify for free shipping. Now, you can actually do that on your Bumper website. You can set the amount your customers need to hit to qualify for free shipping, and everything is automated. And once an order comes into your orders dashboard, you would see if the person qualified for free shipping. Basically, if they hit the threshold that you set for them to actually qualify for free shipping. Now, before I show you how to set it up, let's quickly go to the website and go to checkout so that you see what it looks like. Okay, so now we're on the website and let's say we want to place an order. We want to buy this product. So we add it to cart. And then we want to check out. So we come here to check out. Now, the first thing you can see right here, you can see add items worth 141,000 to get free shipping. So basically, this is what your customers will see. Now, for this particular website, the threshold has been set to 150,000 naira. So it means that if your customers spend up to 150,000 naira on this website, they will qualify for free shipping. What this does is that it makes your customers feel the need to spend more just so they can get free shipping. We know that people love free shipping. Most people don't, they will cancel an order because of delivery prices. So this is a great way to increase your average order value and make people spend more and make your customers feel like they're actually saving money in some way. So they would spend more just to get that free shipping. So once they see this, they will go back. So basically, we can go back here and just add more things to cart just so that we can actually qualify for free shipping. So let's say we just want to add a few more things. So you just, your customers can just keep adding to cart until, oh, sorry. So let's pick size and quantity, let's say. So basically, here you can now see that it has reduced to 121,000 and on like that until the person qualifies for free shipping by spending the amounts that you have set. So that's what the automated free shipping looks like. Now let me show you how to set it up. Okay, so back here, now I'm going to show you how to set up free shipping. Here you can see free shipping active. First of all, it would be toggled off. So let's toggle it off. Let's deactivate it. So this is what it looks like. So now to set it up, you toggle it on and say activate. And then you can come here to edit it. So what you want to edit it to be. First of all, you name the location. So free shipping. Next, you have the minimum cart item. So this one means that they need to add a minimum of let's say, for example, you want them to buy 6 products. So for them to qualify for free shipping, they have to add up to 6 products in their cart. So it doesn't have to be just amount. It can also be products. Say, for example, you want them to buy up to 10 products. So we say 10, and then we remove the amount. But if you want them to spend up to 200K, then you can add amount and remove this. Now, the next thing is to select the currency. As you can see, we have multiple currencies. So you just need to select the currency that they need to spend in. So if you want them to spend in all the currencies you have available to you, you can add all the currencies. If you want to remove some, then you can do that as well. And then once you're done, you can add a shipping description. So let's say hit the threshold to qualify for free shipping and a surprise gift, right? Let's even add something else to make it more fancy for your customers. So, and then once you're done, you click on Save Changes, and that's it. Your free shipping has been activated on your website. Now let's go back. So let's see what it looks like now. Okay, so now we're back on the website. So let's just add a product so that we can see again what it looks like and what your customers will see when they're shopping. So let's say we want to add this product and we're here. So we add it to cart. So now your customers will see this. Like I showed you earlier, depending on the amount you set, they will see how much more they need to spend to qualify for free shipping. And that's basically how free shipping works. It's a great way to nudge your customers to spend a little more money without you having to manually do anything. So once you set this up, it just runs, and anytime you want to change the pricing or you want to change the amount of products they need to add to cart, you can simply go and edit it. And that's it. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.